Looking for the best wet-dry vacuum cleaner to keep your home spotless in 2026? In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best wet-dry vacuum cleaners of 2026 based on cleaning performance, suction power, ease of use, durability, and overall value. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, pet hair, or unexpected spills, these versatile machines can handle both wet and dry messes with ease. Stay tuned until the end to discover which vacuum cleaner takes the #1 spot and find the perfect option for your home and budget. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Product links are available in the video description below. Top 5. Tineco Floor One S5 Blue. The Tineco Floor One S5 is an impressive all-in-one smart vacuum and mop that delivers exceptional cleaning performance for hard floors. Equipped with Tineco's innovative iLoop smart sensor technology, it automatically adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed based on the level of dirt, making it highly efficient for both wet and dry messes. Its upgraded brush roller reaches close to baseboards and corners, leaving floors spotless, streak-free, and dry within minutes. The larger clean water tank and dual tank system ensure you're always cleaning with fresh water while allowing longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Maintenance is effortless thanks to the one-press self-cleaning function, which thoroughly cleans the brush roller and internal tubing, while the pet hair strainer makes it an excellent choice for pet owners. The included 3-in-1 docking station conveniently stores, charges, and maintains the unit. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, users should assemble the vacuum according to the instruction guide before first use. Clean the filter and HEPA filter monthly, and regularly wipe the dirty water tank detection pin to prevent false alarms. Overall, the Floor One S5 is a powerful, intelligent, and user-friendly cleaning solution that makes everyday floor care faster and more convenient. Top 4. Dyson V15s. The Dyson V15's Detect Submarine is an impressive all-in-one cleaning solution that combines powerful vacuuming with advanced hard floor washing. Featuring Dyson's latest technology, it delivers 100% more suction power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for cleaning large homes. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar deep cleans carpets and effortlessly removes tangled hair. Its innovative Submarine cleaner head simultaneously washes hard floors and picks up wet and dry debris using a continuously self-cleaning roller for a truly hygienic clean. Intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction based on floor type and dust levels, with real-time cleaning data displayed on the LCD screen. The vacuum also converts into a handheld cleaner for versatile use around the home and in your car. With advanced HEPA-level filtration that captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, durable lightweight construction, 8 versatile accessories, and Dyson's trusted 2-year warranty, the V15's Detect Submarine stands out as a premium choice for anyone seeking exceptional cleaning performance and convenience. DeWalt 20V Max. The versatile wet-dry vacuum is a reliable and powerful cleaning solution designed for both home and job site use. Its versatile power options let you choose between corded operation or cordless convenience using a 20V max battery sold separately, giving you the flexibility to work anywhere. The large 2-gallon tank handles bigger messes with fewer interruptions, while the washable and reusable filter makes maintenance quick and cost-effective. Built with a heavy-duty 5-foot flexible hose, this vacuum easily tackles tough cleaning tasks, from clogged pipes to workshop debris. Integrated onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized and easy to transport, and the included wide gulper nozzle, HEPA filter, and crevice tool ensure you're equipped for a wide range of cleaning jobs. Overall, it's a durable, versatile, and practical vacuum that delivers impressive performance for demanding tasks. Shark 2. Shark EveryMess Corded Portable Wet and Dry Vac. The Shark EveryMess 3-in-1 Portable Cleaner is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to tackle virtually any mess around your home or car. Combining wet vacuuming, dry vacuuming, and stain removal in one compact device, it delivers exceptional versatility on carpets, upholstery, hard floors, countertops, couches, and vehicle interiors. Its powerful suction easily picks up wet spills, dry debris, pet hair, and even broken glass, while the advanced StainForce dual formula technology effectively removes stubborn stains such as wine, pet accidents, dirt, and permanent marker. The odor-neutralizing formula helps eliminate lingering smells, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. Additional features like AnyBag technology for mess-free disposal and a self-cleaning rinse-and-ready system add convenience and reduce maintenance. If you're looking for a portable, high-performance cleaner that handles everyday messes with ease, the Shark EveryMess is a smart and reliable investment. 1. Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Core Advantage. This all-in-one wet and dry vacuum cleaner makes floor cleaning faster and easier by vacuuming spills, dirt, and pet messes while mopping stubborn stains at the same time. No pre-sweeping required. Designed especially for pet owners, it features a tangle-free brush roll with a hair guard to prevent clogs, along with a specialized pet cleaning solution that effectively removes stains, eliminates odors, and leaves floors smelling fresh. Its versatile design safely cleans all sealed hard floors, including tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and linoleum, as well as area rugs and mats. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, ensuring a more hygienic clean every time. The value bundle includes a tangle-free roller brush, 2 8-aughts bottles of pet cleaning solution, and a self-cleaning tray. As an added bonus, every purchase supports Bissell's mission to help save homeless pets, making it a smart choice for both your home and a meaningful cause. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaners 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect vacuum for your home, workshop, or cleaning needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. You'll find the links to all the products featured in this video in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.